I travel a lot, and traveling, I've been to some different cities and lived in some different places, and I had people in that same city say, "You can't do that. You can't do it like this. You can't do it like this." I'm like, "Well, why not? Have you tried to do it like this?" Well, no, because that's not the way the system. I'm like, "Well, I'm gonna do it this way, and it's gonna work." See, one thing I learned, man, growing up in school, there's many ways to count to 10. Many ways. So I'm not gonna knock how you count to 10, because I count to 10 in 2 steps. 5, 5. You might count to 10 in 4 steps, or 5 steps, or 3 steps. But it's on you. It's all on how you hustle. So you can say 8-2. You can go deuces all the way to 10. You can go two trays and a 4 all the way to 10. So it's all on you. But I'm not gonna knock how you get to 10. And I think that's the problem nowadays, because when a person see you hustle, they so used to a certain way things have been going. So when you try to do it, if you say something about it, they want to knock it because they're not used to it. But it's more than one way to count to 10. All on.